fact, you'll have to wait till I'm seated to go ahead.
See, now we have to go through the whole chocolate bar
It's
thing
okay.
again.
No, it's fine. You could cut that part out. You could take little bits of it.
So what are we redoing here?
Just start right up. Read your things. We're going to go brief.
Okay.
Wait, let's start out. Let's just be welcoming and friendly. Okay?
Be welcoming and friendly.
Welcoming and friendly.
Cheers, everybody.
Welcome. This is our year-end report. Bert, take it away.
So, as a lot of you know from watching it, but a lot of you don't, because not very many people watch the videos. But in 2023, we did. Well, to start off, we started the company in November of 2022, and then for the first part of 2023, we didn't do very much.
Oh, yeah, right.
And then once spring came, then we were able to start working on the building or the yard, not the building. We got the yard all scraped out. Then we had the crushed asphalt put in. Then we had the big front gate cut in half, turned into 2 smaller gates so that we'll be able to open them. We got a 20-foot sea can brought in. It's kind of gungy,
leveled out and cleaned up.
It's all kind of gungy. We got a pad built for the 12 by 20 shelter, like the tarp building, but there's no tarp, so we're going to put roofing tin on that. And that will be put in the one corner where people they'll be able to pull in and drop off their recyclables. What else do we say here? Oh yeah, we got 7 pallets of electronics shipped out. We got I think probably 6 tons of shred metal, like appliance shells and that type of thing.
Excuse me 1 second.
Oh.
It's probably an alarm going off.
Oh,
yes,
okay.
it's an alarm. My very, very bad. So sorry, everyone.
What is the alarm?
So unprofessional. I don't know. I think it was get your ring.
What? Why do you just leave those alarms on forever?
Because it reminded me of when I was in Jamaica with my family.
Mexico with my family.
I was also there in Jamaica, but...
Currently, traffic on your commute looks good. The fastest route takes about 56 hours, 26 minutes via Highway 16 and I-35.
Thank you, Alexa. Okay, that's crazy.
The traffic will be good. It's only 56 hours.
No, where the hell are we going? Wow. I don't know what that was all about.
Anyhow, so we got... we're going to turn that tarp building thing into a shelter for just keeping stuff dry, and people can bring their... Basically like our share shed, except for with all recyclables. We have a 40-foot sea can coming this year. Not sure exactly when it's going to be empty, but once it's emptied, it'll be brought out and it'll be placed in the corner. But apparently I'm told that I can't put it right up against the fence, so I don't know exactly how it's going to work.
We'll look in
yet.
the bylaws and we'll see what the regulations are, because we are right downtown.
Right. And
I was going to say rule-abiding citizens, but I went with right downtown, so that's more accurate.
We got, the front part of the building cleaned out. We got, I put in a little, it's not going to stay that way, but right now there's a little station in there for cleaning rads and draining oil out of sealed units and stuff like that, where we can contain everything. And, I've also got some pallets out there that I will start staging things before they go out to the sea.
But not today, because it was minus 33 degrees today.
Oh, yeah.
So, and it's been cold for the last few days, so that's on hold for a little bit.
Yeah.
Even dogs can't go out for pee.
No.
It's too cold.
They just pee on the floor in here.
They quickly pee on the floor. Okay, what did we miss here?
This is now we've got...
Now
okay,
we go
so
financials?
Yes, so...
Okay. This is where you find out that this is not a big dream.
I haven't looked... Yeah, no, that's not. Eventually,
I know, but
I'm
if you have
hoping
new subscribers that are like thinking this is going to be a really exciting
no,
video.
no.
I just
very
I
small
want
time
reasonable
company.
expectations here. Yeah.
But so we've got an accountant now, and so we've got now in December we put what's that, 674. Oh yeah, so we put what, 1,200 in, 1,200 and I don't know, say $1,100 in between the MAR and the electronics and the scrap metal, because I took in like half a barrel of number 2 copper that was just motor windings and stuff. So now we have $1,848 in the bank, but we still owe Royce. He still hasn't sent us an invoice. If you're watching, Royce,
we need your invoice.
For what because he dropped off the skid steer so I could load that stuff up, and he also like hauled Ed's hoe for me.
Yeah, he did a lot of stuff.
And he took that trailer load of drywall and everything to the dump in Chetwynd. And so yeah, he's done a bunch of work, but I've tried to remind him a few times. Hi, Doug. To get me an invoice, but anyways, so we've got that, and then we'll have to get that sea can painted. We will discuss that, and but that can't be done until it's warm anyhow. And what else was there?
I think that's most of it. I wanted to ask you, now that you are 6 months into the financials here,
Right.
and you're seeing everything, how are you, like, give me your Cole's notes. How
compared
you
to my
feeling
expectations. I was
sure.
all I was expecting, and as we've talked about, but I guess a lot of people don't know this. The reason I started doing this now is because in 13 years, whenever I retire, I want to have something I can do that I enjoy doing, and I really do enjoy recycling, scrapping, things like that. So it's something that I feel is it's not a big paying gig, but I feel that I have 10 to 13 years of building it up and putting the money that it makes back into the business to try and keep building it, so that we have something when we do retire. And you can't retire, like you can't just fully not do anything anymore. So this will be something that for our small town, like in bigger towns you can make a living at it, but for our small
things
town,
are changing, because our transfer station is changing fairly shortly here, and it's gonna cost people money to
if they start making
garbage.
people pay to dump everything at the dump, then I think I'll see a big upswing of things coming in. Because if they charge $75 a ton to take stuff to the dump, people aren't going to take their appliances there and pay $20 or $30 to dispose of them if they can drop them off with me for free. And sometimes if I'm out in an area, I'll pick the thing up. Like, it's not a big thing for me. I'm going to quit doing the pickups though, like just going and picking stuff up for free. Yeah. Just because
it doesn't make sense.
Well, it makes sense if everything goes as planned, but like as I found out on my last one, you drive like pretty far, and then you find out all there is a stove, even though there was supposed to be a fridge and a dryer and a stove or something like that. So it doesn't. It definitely doesn't pay for the gas, because like for a stove or a dryer or something like that, I get $4, and then whatever metal you get out of it, which is like less than $5. So, are you gonna drive that far in a big truck with a trailer on to get $11? If there's a fridge or an air conditioner, then I get $22 to drain the refrigerant and all that. So that makes it worth it if you can pick up some of that. But like just driving all over the country and spending $100 in fuel to get $100 back, it's not worth it. So from now on, it'll just be like, if I'm going somewhere and somebody has something, I will pick that thing up, but I'm not driving all over Hex Half Acre, just to pick up, a couple of ovens or whatever. So, but anyways, my expectations. I'm happy. I was hoping to buy a trailer, and I almost bought a trailer a few times, and I just didn't. And I'm glad I didn't. I'm glad, like, you were always like a voice of reason, where you're like, well, do you really need that trailer? And I get there and I'd be like,
we do have a trailer, and
well, it's just, yeah,
I understand that.
It's just a tiny,
but we also were not in a financial position to be able to.
No, and I know, and that's when I get there, I'm like, you know what,
that we have, like, dog surgery coming up. It's, like, I'm really glad we don't have a lot of extra financial commitments, because there is a financial commitment we were not expecting.
Yeah, no, that's for sure. So I am glad I have that trailer that's out in the yard. It's not on the road or anything, but I do own the trailer, so I have to just do a VIN search, I guess, and then I can get an ownership for it for BC, and then I can, then I can build that. Like, I know that I can get Stan or somebody to weld on the side so that I can fill that up with, ovens or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
So, and then I've just been, the auctions too. So, like, I've been, if I find some cheap things at auctions, I've still got to put this stuff up for sale, but I got a bunch of radios, like, and a whole bunch of little knickknacks here and there. So I'm going to slowly put those onto Facebook Marketplace and, try and sell those and make a little bit of extra money that way. I do think that that's going to have to start coming out of the company, like when I buy it, because right now, like, if I'm buying it for cash of my own and I sell it and the company gets the profit, then so I think the company should, like, I don't know. Yeah, I'm not too sure. So anyways, we'll look at that. I still have to talk to a bookkeeper and the accountant.
Although I'm not crazy about the idea of putting the money in the bank. You know what I mean? Like, selling it. I don't want the man to know. I don't want the man to know that you're turning stuff around for a profit. Because then the man's like clawing his big grimy paw out to get a little for himself.
Well, I would like to use the money just to put back into the building and the property.
Understood. I'm just
No, I understand what you're saying, but on video, we are.
You'll have to cut
always
that bit
do
out,
it. Yeah. Well, that just cuts
as if anybody watches, but really,
yeah.
Probably have to cut that.
But no, like, definitely there is, like those stainless steel dryer washer drums. Like, now if we're not in a fire ban, I'm sure we will be in a fire ban all this year. But last year, not a great year for trying to sell fire pits. No. But
or firewood if you were a campground attendant.
Yeah, like it's pretty crazy. So, anyways, that's our year end, kind of a little plan for the future. We want to get the other C-Can in and have, like, an actual setup where people can drive right through, and then nobody has to man it. Like, every day I can go out, take the stuff in, sort the stuff that has to get sorted. So anyways, is that the wrap it up?
I'm giving you the wrap it up off camera, of course, because we got another thing we got to do. We have another engagement, you see.
Oh yeah, we're gonna start. Well, apparently I'm going to start doing lives with hopefully Nice Junk and Scrap It All. They're gonna come in and try it out tonight. So, it probably won't be a scheduled thing because none of us really know what we're doing. So it'll be like when we can get together, we'll probably do some lives in the evening or something like that. So
yeah, fun.
Thanks. Oh. We don't have the chocolate bar part in there.
Yeah, but
I can take it out of the other one. Yeah. Okay. I'll take the chocolate bar part out of the other one.
You want to... Yeah. See me see it.
So, sometime in December, I was talking with my wife about how I loved... There was a certain dairy milk chocolate bar that I loved. It was called Marvelous Creations. I couldn't remember the exact name. I thought it was like Carnival something. But I had said they had Pop Rocks and Jelly Tots and stuff in them. So, these came in yesterday.
Do you have any English people?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Oh, they can tell us. How much is that? How much is 39p?
69p.
I guess that's pence?
Yeah.
It's not petunias or anything. Like, they probably don't have petunias.
No.
Although there's lots of rain.
It says RRP. a bigger.
Okay,
pea.
give us a UK
So-
schooling. What is that? What else? What is that worth? I know we have the Google, but it's more fun when someone tells you. Like the good old
What
days
is
when you didn't have
69
Google.
pence worth? It's probably $1.
Okay, thanks for spoiling it for me.
Well, I'm just saying.
I just
probably.
wanted to have somebody give me the answer who wasn't you.
But anyways, so these I had always bought at stores in Canada, and she went on very thoughtfully went on to Amazon Canada and found them and ordered them for me. They came from England.
That was a surprise. I didn't see that coming.
So, like, with shipping and everything, it came to, what, $3 each?
Yeah.
Canadian. So I thought that was pretty amazing, seeing as, like, I figured the shipping alone would cost quite a lot. And after hearing about the M&Ms going to Ireland from the States and all the customs fees, like, we didn't have any customs fees or anything. Anyways, that is my favorite chocolate bar.
I'm going to try one for the first time.
Oh.
I'm going to
Yeah,
just try
you haven't
peas.
had it.
No, I'm just going to try
Right,
peas.
yeah, because we're
off
on a
the
no
sugar.
sugar,
A
no added sugar thing. But yeah, this is a special occasion. So, oh, I love these. I've eaten 2 of these yesterday. Like,
There's some Pop Rocks. Oh,
Yep.
oh, some Pop Rocks.
yeah,
Listen. You can't hear, but
and
I
this
can.
is kind of like Turkish delight or something, but I think they're jelly
They're
tots
jelly
right here.
beans. They're jelly beans. I
No.
read it. Did you say no?
I'm saying
'Cause they
no.
are. I
In
looked it up.
England, maybe they're jelly beans. Maybe that's what they call jelly beans there. But here, those are like a jelly tot, or like a Turkish delight or something.
They're a little
almost
like,
like
a taffy or something. They're...
almost like.
Ooh, listen.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, those Pop Rocks are fun.
Like,
Okay, this is going on. You carry on.
Anyways, yeah.
Love you. Bye.
I love you. Bye. Bye.
Bye.